everybody, it's your girl Allie, and guess what? I am having to get another tire replaced. I am here at this location. It is Ultimate Tire Service, and I'm getting another tire replacement. It's your girl Allie, and I am at a neat tire spot that I come to if I need to get me a tire replaced. It is called Ultimate Tire Service. You too can come here. And this nice gentleman is already underway. You see I've got my donut on here. I know every time you turn around I've got something going on with my tires. But this is the location. This is where it is. You see it's drizzling out here. It's called Ultimate Tire Service. You can see right there, and they've got a variety of tires that you can have, you can get should you need them. I recommend them. So he's going to take this tire off. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. It's your girl Allie. I'm out here today getting my tire changed. I got a flat tire, so I'm about to get this replaced real quick. Subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. You see, he's making it look easy. This is a breeze for him. He's taking my little yellow tire off my donut. He's getting the donut off. This is the tire that came off, and he said it is bad. Look at that! Wow! I was just riding along. My goodness! And this is my new tire. This is the new used tire that I'm getting.
So what do you do?
Anything that I see that's kind of entertaining that you might like, I just record it.
Almost ready. You've been here before? You've been here before? Almost done, okay? Yeah, it's gonna be ready.
So be sure that if you haven't already, be sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. It's your girl Allie. I would love to have you as a member of the Allie's View family.
You did the truck, right?
Sir?
You
Yes,
did the truck, the name will be there.
Oh,
the
yes,
truck,
I did
yeah.
the truck. Yep, I
Okay.
sure did. I did the truck and the top.
So what do you do? Where do you walk?
I should have caught that.
Thank you, Wolf.
All right, and stay with us. So once again, we're standing by for the start of today's coronavirus briefing. We're a Navy hospital ship is getting ready.
So right now the
Speed
tire is
balancing.
being balanced.
Yes, speed balancing.
Okay, the owner is telling me this is called speed balancing. It's a technique to make sure that the tire is balanced
That's
when
correct,
it goes in
yeah.
the car. Excellent. So he just put some weights on there. He said that helps to balance the tire. Okay, so now he's checking to make sure everything appears to be. So now we're rolling into the car. heard something about me and rain and flat tires. It seems as if the rain starts whenever I get a flat tire. Go. Alright, he's giving me this key back. And now the tire is on. He's letting the car down. You can see Alan and Mama are sitting in the car. They're rocking. So it's your girl Allie. I got my mask on, coronavirus. If you want to get one of these, you can get these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Please be sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's your girl Allie. And we are here at this location, Ultimate Tire Service. Need a used tire repair. You can come here too and get your tires done. They're great. I highly recommend it.